In this video, we will add a few material to our project. First, let's put it here, okay, and then we will rotate it a little bit, not okay, okay, and then we will add the material. So we'll select this one here. Now we'll select the wall color. If you remember, guys, this is the name we used when we used the V-Ray. So yeah, so when we select the building structure, or let's say the purple color, double click, this window will pop up immediately. So now we will choose the outdoor, select blaster, and then we will select this one. You are free to choose, for example, anything like marble or any items. You can choose any of these, but I already chose and selected the material before I prepare this video in order to make the this course short and less than 2 hours to be free. Okay, now we will add the material for the glasses. The glasses now, it's outdoor, and this is the glasses. Okay, we'll select this one, and let's make it black. Okay, okay, we'll make it like this. Transparency, we can make it like this. We'll leave it as it. I mean, you are free to increase and decrease these properties of the glass, but I suggested to check in the internet the right properties of the glasses before you add it to the before you add it to your project in order to be more realistic. Yeah, before we do anything, we gotta move our project up a little bit. So we will select OK, and then select this one, move it up. Okay, the better idea is what I will. Okay. Okay, now it's nice. Now it's okay. Go a little bit to the right. Okay. In the next video, we'll take a photo for our project. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.